What's up guys and welcome to the Sidemen Easter quiz with me, Josh and Vic. Basically, Josh is going to be asking me questions. If I get it right, I don't even get anything.
You get a high five.
You get actually?
Feel good. I'll give you a high five.
Yeah, that was obvious. Josh, name 3 types of pie.
Apple pie, fish pie, cream pie.
Too late.
Fuck you.
No, I'm losing.
3 sex positions.
Oh.
Helicopter, missionary, box set.
Butt sex.
Describe what butt sex is.
So you know when you have a penis?
What a position.
Yeah, you put the penis in the bum, in the butt.
How are you? How is she?
She's
Or he?
She's just on the floor.
What? Forward, backwards?
Doesn't matter.
We're going to allow it.
You have 5 seconds to name 3 exotic birds from Colombia. Go.
The mini minter.
You're out of time. You're out of time, Josh.
You name one.
Huh?
It's your turn now.
So, next round.
Gangnam Style.
Was that even 7 seconds?
Nah, but he had it.
He pretty much had
I was
it.
scared it'd be the other
I was
guess
right, I
right
saw
one.
that.
I was like, is it Gangnam Style or is it Gentleman?
Yeah. Oh, that's.
Oh, dude, it could have been.
Oh, that's gonna be a really obvious one. I'm not gonna get it. Everyone's gonna go, how could you not get that? My mum's Beyonce.
My mum's a single lady.
That's kind of depressing. Something soft. Flaccid penis.
Dick.
Tissue paper.
Josh's dick right now.
Simon's
Better.
Cotton wool, no racist
Yours
jokes.
is wrong.
What? Oh man.
Alright, so I need to put these on the plate in front of me. There you go. And also move the knife out of the way. Okay, so what we want to do is you want to spread some butter on the bread, which is on my left over here. But you need to be very careful with the knife. Very,
This is difficult.
very careful.
What way's the good way? Oh, there we go. Okay.
You're not meant to talk.
Sorry.
That is a lot of butter, but I love butter. I don't like it that much, so I put half of it back. So now, I just spread the butter. Yeah, brilliant. Okay, we're going for more butter. We're going for lots of butter, because I love butter. Especially when it's on the plate, not the bread. Alright, let's put the butter down. Softly. Okay, so as you can see, behind the cheese over. I'm a very violent person apparently.
Josh, this is the final round. You have to impress everyone with your final flip.
This isn't gonna work, so I have to go like full out.
Full out.
I'm basically gonna be the Ronaldinho or the Neymar of the pancake world right now.
There we go.
Step overs and all sorts. Alright, you ready? Can we just edit this bit out? Hey!
Alright. What's it gonna be? What it's gonna be. Oh,
That's amusing. It's funny.
Indiana Jones.
Yeah, that's right. Oh.
no, just Indian.
Now, the thing is, these guys will genuinely be able to do a better accent of this than me, which is the tragic thing. I have to start. I've nothing to go on. Hello, what is your name? My name is Vic123, number 1 Indian commentator on YouTube.
He got better, eh? He got a lot better than
I'm
yours.
improved, I'm throwing it over, I've done my bit.
What are you talking about?
I'm going to pick a number. Why was I doing a joke like that the whole time?
Because I That's what I did. In the pumpkin video, I was like, I'm going to pick a number. It wasn't even Indian.
That sounded like a song. I'm going to pick a number.
That's what I said.
My name is Victor 123, number one Indian commentator today, and today I'm on the map Karachi, and we're going to hit the 360 no-scope. Good time. Jai ho.
It's just sellotaped around
He's got like
plastic.
heroin in them or anything.
Hold on, I have an idea.
Why is it in gel? It's like a cheese string.
There's blood everywhere.
Just open your mouth, put it in, bite, doesn't matter.
Look at that. Mad one. Chill
And bite, come on, mate.
Chill out, Sandpepper.
Hey!
Stop.
I'm pretty sure my teammates like Snapchatting girls. Nah! I was sorting out the timer. Oh, shots. Everybody!
Right, go. Here we go. First,
No, don't push it in.
What?
That's what she said.
Whoa, wait, whoa!
To Ethan.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, Ethan, I'm being really mean.
E1 is not real anymore. So you got 1 point.
Yeah, I'm winning.
Make a point move.
What?
Nice.
0.
Oh, where's my points?
You haven't got points. They're on the screen.
Well, now I do. Bah! With an explosion as well. And now it's moving here and circling. Payback, bitch.
Who has posted the most videos out of the Sidemen, and how many have they posted? Within 200 either side. That's a good fighting gap right there.
Surely it's got to be Vic, because Harry's only done like 6. JJ's done about 6. I'm gonna go. Oh, that could be anything.
You've got 200, you've got 400 gap here, so that's quite a lenient gap. I'm being nice to you.
Okay, well let's just work this out. You've been doing YouTube for at least 3 years. You do like 3 videos a day, at least. So I can assume you've done at least 12.
He's spot on. Can't question the man.
2,400.
Okay. So, Vic has uploaded 4,642 videos.
No, but I thought the question was how many good videos.
Oh, right.
Wait, that's more than I would say.
Hey, I'm hitting a 50-50.
Do you like black people?
Yes.
Oh!
Yes, I'm not racist.
Oh my god! I can't believe he's got away with that.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Okay, Ethan's turn.
Simon, are you a homosexual?
No.
Oh, he's confident. Oh. He's confident.
Are you sure? Behind the smile.
You like dick.
Ah, you love Willie. My Willie.
Most likely to kill another member of the Sidemen. Okay. I'm ready. Alright, 3, 2, 1, show.
You know it's bad when you go for yourself. But let me explain. I think it would be by accident. I don't reckon it would be on purpose.
Oh, okay, explain how you can kill.
So, say like we're at Fort Park or something,
Yeah.
and we're just somewhere. I'm gonna push someone over,
Well, I'm not going to the bar again.
and they're just gonna hit their head accidentally, and it's actually gonna kill them. It's not gonna be on purpose.
You're like a friendly giant, a big friendly giant who just like punches people. That's what, I think he'd be angry one day. Like, we were
Right,
saying,
okay. Explain your
we'd say,
situation.
Ethan, I don't like your trainers. He'd be like, what? And then stab everyone.
Olympics.
Yeah, Olympics, but you rage the most. Don't look at the camera like that. They're scared as well.
Guys, please. It's gonna be an accident, and whoever it happens to, I'm sorry.
He looks concerned. I want to do this one.
Do it.
You look nervous, obviously.
Okay, I need to just get in my head.
In your own head.
Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Squeaker Squad!
Oh my!
That was incredible.
Carry on.
That was incredible.
I slept with your mom!
Yeah, I missed that episode.
No, carry on.
No. You have enough.
You got enough for that. Alright.
Come on.
Mr. Louis Calibre.
That's the one.
Libra.
Louis Calibra.
It was linen from the start. I just want to break to cry. Come on, let's make or break. It's game time.
Oh my god.
Nah.
Actually gonna happen. It's actually gonna happen. Oh no, it's going. It's not going. It's going!
I caught them though. No, you have the top layer. Put it on top. Simon. Take it.
Wait. Yeah.
It's back to me again. Nah.
Yeah, I know, right? Big, I know what you cooked, but they are vile.
I think you should give it up.
Yeah, that one.
Oh wait, nah. Nah.
Oh wow, you said it. Hey!
That's brilliant!
That is amazing. I did not crack when it fell off the wheel.
I love his confidence. It's beautiful. It was so amazing. Oh my god.
Oh. In my football vlog, who dives past the camera?
What?
Okay.
Who dives past the camera?
I'm vlogging away and someone comes and they just dolphin dive past the
Nobody
camera.
watches this video.
It's like a sideways dolphin dive.
I'm ready, this kid's taking ages.
I'm drawing blinds, mate. Just let the pen take me away.
I feel like you could have been right what you just
Alright, 3, 2, 1, display. Actually, Josh is right here. It wasn't.
Oh, come on.
Dolphin
That
dive.
was your shadow.
Wow. Wow.
Right, let's go.
Simon's up.
Come on.
Here we go.
Oh. Fuck, can they talk? Pass.
Robot.
Robot.
Yeah.
I'm so Cali.
Californian.
Nah.
I knock him out.
Rocky.
It's
Mike Tyson.
There we go. Ooh. Hi, kids.
Sandpepper.
Hello, how you doing?
Good evening,
English.
sir.
Yeah. Konnichiwa.
Japanese.
Japanese. No,
Fuck.
no,
Up you go.
She stole my precious.
Gollum.
No.
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 Pass.
I'm
From certain place, a line in Spain.
Texas. No.
Oh,
Was
you
it Texas?
it was.
No.
Time's
So your
up.
score is what?
My score. It was C3PO. I could have guessed that.
My retarded.
Robot. You scored.
5.
Woo! It's a tie.
What?
This is so bad.
Come on.
I know the song, but I only know the words to the song.
What's the next song name?
Oh, fuck.
We are champions.
Yes, go. Oh.
Ready?
I got you,
You
bro.
got this. You got this. You got this. What are you doing? Okay.
Right, 3, 2, 1, and start.
Sleepwalking. Oh, slamming your head into a door.
Oh, come on.
Sleeping.
It's so easy.
Kicking a wall. Running.
Oh my god.
Oh, Lewis!
There we go.
Sex. Bomb sex. Tranny.
Come on! Come on!
This position, damn it.
Oh, a missionary.
No!
What is that?
Reverse cowgirl.
There we go.
Illuminate. Illuminate.
Come on!
Illuminate.
You got retired.
Okay.
What do phase do?
Oh, snipe.
No! What is the part of the sniping that he's doing?
360. No scope.
What is that? It's a.
Gun.
Oh, your mum.
Give up. I actually just
Shooting.
It's phase race channel.
say trick shot.
Trick shot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh wait, time's up.
Oh no.
Fuck.
I work with bricks.
No, you're right. Brick.
I'm not working with you right now. I'm against you. I'm working with multiple bricks.
Tried.
Would you rather be able to speak every language or communicate with animals?
I knew that was coming.
Oh, communicate with animals.
Yeah.
You
That'd
don't
be
do this.
so sick.
That would be amazing.
Oh
What
my
animal?
What do you want
god.
to talk to?
Everything.
Like
I talk
spiders.
to my cat all the time.
Yeah, no.
Spiders.
Yeah, that would be
I thought you
sick.
didn't like
Alright,
spiders.
go away.
No.
Yeah, no,
You
but
like
I'd just
them.
be like, so why the fuck are you up there? And he'd be like, you know what, bro? I don't know. I don't know. I just like this corner, man.
Yeah,
and,
and
I'm
what?
like, and then I'm like, what? I'm gonna have to kill you now. And he's just like, bro, don't do that.
Yeah, no, but you could be like,
Would you still kill him?
I should probably not.
So maybe you'd be scared of flies. You'd be like, flying around like, yeah, this is fun. You'd be like, oh, it's having fun. They just want to hurt
it says
me.
communicate with animals, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that means they can understand you.
You can say
So
to
you
them.
could say to the flies like, yo bro, you're cool with my airspace, everything? Just I got a bubble, just chill.
Yeah.
Leave or
And then,
you will die.
JJ's sitting here, he's eating his food, the fly won't come within like a couple yards.
Yeah.
Yeah,
A
exactly.
fly to the other side of the room, it's fine.
It'd be like Charlotte's Web, you know, with the spider as well.
And I'd have
Like who?
so much fun at a zoo. I'd be like,
People would think you were crazy. Like, if you're at a zoo going,
would.
hello.
what if I'm doing it like telepathically?
No, it's
No, you gotta actually
just talk.
communicate.
It's makes yourself look silly.
Alright.
It's all part of the ritual.
No, I'd look sick though. I'd be like, clap. And then they clap. And everyone would be like, what?
Yeah, but what if the monkey just doesn't want to clap?
I'd be like,
Start slapping poo in your face.
What if they made you feel bad? What if they're like, could you please let me out of here?
I'd be like, that's not up to me, I'm sorry.
Can't
No,
do
clap.
it.
Now perform for me.
Fuck's sake.
But I like the spider thing.
The spider
Yeah.
man's good.
Yeah.
Hey man.
He sounds quite chill. I like spider.
Yeah, don't kill me, y'all.
Introducing Vincent Van Vick.
No. I don't want to know. I don't want him to draw.
We're drawing.
No, you're not.
Start off with some feet, some
Okay,
legs.
you criticize me.
No, I think it's really good so far.
Actually, that's not that bad.
I think he's trying himself. Okay, he's lopsided. We know that much. He's lopsided. Who's lopsided YouTuber? Ethan. Is he?
No, but it's left. You're left-handed.
Yeah, but that's not me.
What? No, what is that? Vic, what have you done? I don't know who it is anymore.
It's like a skeleton.
No, I don't know who it is anymore. Oh, I know who it is.
Who is it?
No, he's
Oh, it's a mask. That's me.
yeah.
Why am I not a mask?
Left-handed. I told you it was you. I guessed you straight away.
The arm's so long.
You're left-handed. You went with your left.
The arm is. I don't put it on my left.
What?
I'm ambidextrous.
What?
I write on my left and do everything else
No,
on my right.
he's living the dream. Alright, this is number.
This is like a spoon. Like, should like almost like.
No, just have your tongue out.
Okay, yeah. Open your tongue out. Fully.
This is number.
Wait, no, but what?
This is number 6.
Is it chewable? Is it edible?
It's edible.
Completely edible.
It's edible.
Fatality.
Stay there.
Yeah, I'll throw up. Can I have tissue?
Yeah, go ahead. Get tissue.
What the fuck was that? I don't know what that was. What the fuck is it?
It's mint sauce.
It's in my nostril. That shit came out my nostril.
Name 3 ways to mention black people.
Black Lives Matter. Martin Luther King. Obama.
It was over the top. That's not a way to name black people.
No, he said first actually to talk about black people.
Do you want me to do it for you?
Yeah.
Nigger. Wog. Coon. I win, bitch.
You don't get a point for that though.
What do I not get a point?
Name 3 guys you met on Grindr.
Sam Steve Jr.
Oh, just in time. And what?
Wait, no, wait, let me explain. Obviously, I'm just gonna name 3
Right, you gotta prove it.
This is really happening.
Okay, now we move on to dessert. We're going for Maltesers. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, we're struggling. Okay, well, okay, we don't have many of these, but you just, you choose what. Oh, got it! I got it!
Things you carry. So handbag.
Shopping.
Josh's channel.
Bazinga's channel.
Do you like JJ?
Yes!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He doesn't like you. He doesn't like you. He does.
Aww. Alright, let's all try it. Let's all try it. Let's all try it. Kiss him.
I can feel it. I can feel it.
Simon, do you like me?
No.
Oh!
I'm going home. This is long. I'm going home.
Do you like me?
Yes.
Please like me. I want to be liked.
Your mum's got bunions.
Who's most likely to be a dad first?
Oh, that's fucking easy.
See, I think I know what they're going to go with, but I've got a solution. I'm ready. I need to I've got the same answers as most people. Ready? Right, okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes! I'm so happy! Yes! I thought we were going to be yeah.
Bro, I had a complete guess and I was like, yes, I've made the right choice.
I thought you guys were going with me.
Just imagine that being a dad.
I was going to go with you because you are married.
I'm not married.
But I just thought.
Just imagine that being a dad.
Jane probably is already.
That's my logic. He probably already is.
I think he's gonna do it.
I don't know what it's gonna be.
Hi guys, welcome to the guys at that Dodge guys. You're the Bourbon guys.
What are you playing today?
I only just got it.
Today I'm playing. I've got a fucking headache.
Did you do that?
I thought I had it until the headache bit, but
No,
Probably someone else now.
I play FIFA and 8 Bourbons guys.
And 8 Bourbons. I'm that HD. 3. No. Here we
Are you
go.
ready? I'm ready.
He's still left for Russia apparently.
Yes.
He goes beyond the impression. Anyway, sorry. Carry on.
I'm 1. Sorry. Go.
You go now.
Wait, maybe he's doing it. Maybe he's doing
No,
it.
not
Maybe it's a
yet.
YouTuber that can't speak.
No.
How would that work?
Just.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Hey JJ.
Wow. I just got back scissors.
Are you John? John, is that you?
John.
John. It's not the bad John. It's the good John.
Ready?
Okay.
Mushrooms.
Wanking. Finishing off. I think I've realised.
You haven't. Trust
haven't.
me.
You-
That's
you
not,
want to-
that's
come
not
on.
even half of the sentence.
Come on, where you at? Come on, say it. What was that?
Baby?
Yeah.
Simba.
You actually got a break.
You're actually fucked.
My baby.
No.
Hey baby. Your baby.
No.
Come talk to him. You are the baby.
You are the fucking baby.
Is that it?
No.
Alright, you are the baby. I am the baby.
You're fucked.
I'm so sorry. I'm trying. I'm actually trying.
First bit.
I'm having a baby. I'm having a baby. I'm having a baby. No. No, wait. Okay, wait.
Where? You got this happened. Come on.
Wanking.
Why did you touch your forehead?
Simba.
No.
When I wanked on my forehead.
Just help him out with the baby thing, please.
You are the baby. Who gave birth to you?
Oh, my mom.
Oh my fucking god, 3 years.
My mom came on my forehead. Did she?
What?
No, I don't think so. I came on my mom's forehead.
Did you?
I definitely did not. Coming on. Cum shot.
No, you were saying
His mom.
Oh, coming on your head. Coming on my mom's head.
Yeah, that
Fuck it, that'll count.
Okay.
Coming on Yinka's head. While having bum sex?
Kind of.
My dad did anal.
Sure, fuck it. Yeah. Coming on Yinka's forehead or being fucked in the ass by Jeet.
Ah.
Waffle. Waffle. There's a certain name of fruit. The certain name of a type of fruit. A chocolate. White. It's white. Yeah.
You know what? I feel bad for Josh. Josh has been screwed over this whole
happened now?
video. You know what? This point is gonna be worth 500
It doesn't matter.
500 points. 3, 2, 1. What is your answer, Josh?
Oh, yours is easier than mine, just saying.
9.
I don't believe it.
It's not. It's not the answer.
Ladies and gentlemen, after Josh has been screwed this whole time, he has managed to get it wrong again. It was actually 4 p.m. in Calabasas.
I love that one.
As you can tell from this sound clip.
There's a new bit in there. Well, it's a bless up. That would change it all.
I am sorry. Unlucky
It's a
Josh.
silent bless up.
Don't worry.
Wait. JJ, what was the song?
4 p.m. in Calabasas.
Well, he's just told us the time.
Can I win for that?
So Simon now wins.
Great time. I think he needs to do
work on the
his
hair.
Yeah, so we need some shampoo.
We'll shampoo his hair, yeah.
Some shampoo.
He's hasn't been clean in a while, his hair, I can
Here
tell.
we go. You ready, Nick? You ready for the shampoo?
Shampoo time.
Right, let's shampoo
Which
it.
is like a moussier shampoo you got. It really cleans out the hair. and your t-shirt.
And the table. Right, so I need to just, you know,
Got to work it through into the hair.
This is so we can put in, we're putting in some highlights in a minute, Nick. Oh my god.
What have we done? Wait, look, hang on. He's got a spike on his hair. No one's seen Nick's hair spiky. Now we have.
Aye, that's sick.
Look, it's like a new waxing product we've got. What have we got?
So Vic, the reason we were doing your hair is because we want to put some
Extensions in
some
here.
extensions, you know.
Got to get your hair looking longer.
So yeah, and as we said,
Red is the in colour. As we said.
red is in. So
We got these shipped over from India. So this is gonna make you look really.
you look
It's like fringe a little bit here, mate. Hang on.
Nah, you want it down the side, you know, like that.
Can make your hair look a lot longer. Let me make sure this one's out your eyes. Here we go.
There you go.
Yeah, his hair's too plentiful out.
This is gonna be your you can have a Superman curl.
We should probably add some glue to them.
There you go. There's your
We should
Superman.
probably add some glue. to
Add
make
some
sure-
glue. Oh, I'll let you do it. I'll let you add the glue.
So we're gonna add some glue to his hair so it sticks. You'll see extensions, they always tend to fall out. Some people use clips, we like to use glue with our products. So
While you're doing that, I'm just gonna add some foundation.
Get some glue in
Add
there.
some-
Oh, there it's glue.
Oh no.
So what this
Add a little bit of contour on his nose.
this glue does look like it shows, but after a while it dries, it goes invisible. Then you get some up front the front here. Oh. I think that's fine actually. That glue will go invisible soon.
There you go, Nick. Just a little bit more. A little bit.
We've got to top him up,
Yeah. Oh, now it's on there.
Well, I think that's a finished product.
I think we're done.
Think we're done? Nick, you happy with you happy?
Yeah, I'm so thrilled to.
So that means you got one left. One left.
Just one.
And it's a nice one.
It's a nice one.
So this is chewy and edible and swallowable.
This is your little treat one. You got the
Yeah. You made it all the way through. Yeah, that's true.
Now he's like, oh, that's you gonna be a treat.
Muffin. It's brioche, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, you motherfuckers.
What?
It just hit. You fucking prick.
What?
Chili.
What are you on about?
There's hot in my mouth.
There's hot in my mouth.
The fuck did you put in it?
Nothing.
Chili in it. Yeah, there's fucking chili in it. You're lucky your hand will eat well. There's more chili, just a bit there. chocolate muffin with chili.
He's handled it surprisingly well.
Right, are we done?
One more, one
Well,
more.
it depends if you
You're
want
just gonna put the chili in my mouth, aren't you?
No.
Gonna have water now.
Why?
Aftertaste of
You
chili.
handled it fine, you said.
You know you said it's the last one.
Yeah.
Am I allowed to look?
No, but it is the last one.
What is?
Yeah, come on, it's the last one.
You said that was the last one.
Yeah, but we said, do you want to do the final one or not? Are you gonna do it or not?
I'm not. Right, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah! Bonus round. Oh my fuck.
What are you looking out?
Wait, do you know what this is? I swear, if I was blind, this is what I'm blind. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, why am I an idiot?
You got to try it.
Yeah, how do I get it out?
You don't like me, that's established. Keyboard warrior, ugly ass catfish. You can never act this out here, living that lavish life. You should be embarrassed, yikes. Cash in the vault, so it's safe to say your boy stay dry on them rainy days. Royal flow, put me center stage. Walk to white, bitches say my name. Coming at me, you need stamina.